Nicely done. You didn't know if we were racing, I'd have run over you. Come on, Rich! Run over him! Yeah.
I can pull on you just there.
Yeah.
You were right on me when we went in, weren't you?
Yeah.
You can really let her have it round there.
Biff said just keep it pinned where I was tending to go burp, you know, in all bottoms.
I think you maybe, as well, you're probably leaning a bit too far forward sometimes, you know.
Right, get
so
back.
The front wheel's going in and it's going...
Yeah. Yeah, he stalled it on a lap of he were videoing, following me, coming out of that bit there.
Yeah.
And I thought I were fair going for it. It's my latest video if you get a chance to watch that, but fucking hell, he took off there and that were quick, but how fast he caught me up there was unbelievable.
Yeah.
It run real. And he just said he sits back full bore.
I'll let you go around, we'll set off up there, and we'll let you go in front of us later on.
Yeah.
We'll go and have a mess over there for a bit, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, whatever.
Then we can have a play on that.
We call it Mount Taggy, that big hill up there, over the side.
Yeah, we can go up there and then we can just do a lap into that. I'll do that gully a couple of times.
Yeah.
And I'll try and help you sit down going up stuff.
Where have you been?
That fucking drop off. What did you do?
Alright.
Straight off it.
Jumped?
No, fucking... Bye-bye, see you later, mate. Oh no.
So you rolled over it and lost the bike?
I rolled over it and fucking let it go.
So you didn't do it with her?
No, I thought it was coming down that little...
That other bit? Yeah, that's changed.
Right, yeah.
Soz, lad.
What?
Sorry.
It's alright.
Are you alright?
Yeah, fine.
Fucking hell.
Fucking fair eye, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Has it twisted it up? I've got some tools.
It's alright. Won't make much difference to me. Right.
Ah, here we go.